Role, assistant, reasoning underscore content. We need 150 to 200 words, short script 60 to 90 seconds, average 8 to 10 words per 3 seconds. But we keep 150 se 200 words. Start with shocking hook first 3 seconds. Use markers. End with a question that forces viewer to comment. Keep sentences short and punchy for TTS. Only real well-known cases. Title: Dark Conspiracy, the must that shocked the world. Must could refer to something that shocked world, the assassination of JFK. The must actually phrase, the must that shocked the world may be referencing the Stuxnet or the Mayan. I'd choose a real case, the 1994 murder of James Jimmy Vast. NN, but we must create script within 150 se 200 words. Use markers as text. And note. We need hook. First 10 seconds, what if the president was a puppet? That's an example. And we need 150 se 200 words. Sentence length short. And let's draft. NN. Within first 10 seconds, what if the president was a puppet? Could use what if your world was built on a lie? That's no words. We need 10 seconds, roughly 8 se 12 words. And now create script. NN. What if your world was built on a lie? The story. In 1963 a ventriloquist carved perfection. But let's stay with JFK. Use main famous case. The 1981 assassination of President Reagan or the 2013 Miller's murder. Let's choose the 1963 JFK assassination, real, known. We'll talk about conspiracy. And let's draft 180 words. And we need to keep sentences short and punchy for TTS. Use only real cases. And also ensure to include markers. And let's produce about 170 words. And now, NN. What if your world was built on a lie? N. JFK was shot in Dallas. Blues for Oswald, a rifle, a single bullet. But witnesses saw shadows, a second shooter. FBI reports died under cover. Lone gunman, but what if 24 suspects hid behind the vice president's office? The Warren report? A checkbox. Documents still missing. In 1979 CIA files surfaced, too many. The weight of truth pulls like iron. The conspiracy? Monuments, a menacing country, a crooked president of the United Nations. Stories drift, theories brew. The world, torn apart. The debate? Silent. Imagine you can apply any evidence. Which theory fits? Do you trust the official story or the hidden? N. The truth says nothing, but the mystery hints that the world was a puppet show. Now ask yourself, who sealed the final bullet? End with a question that forces viewers to comment, did the truth ever surface or did the dark conspiracy swallow it? That is a question. And let's count words. And we must count. Let's write final script with exactly 160 se 180 words. NNILL craft final version. NN. What if your world was built on a lie? N. JFK was shot in Dallas. Many saw a shadow in the Texas school book depository. The Warren report said Lee Harvey Oswald fired one bullet. But police saw a second look angle. CIA files surfaced in 1979 with redacted pages. No one knows how the bullet landed. Did a secret organization cover up a second shooter? The truth is hidden behind sealed rooms, whispers, and unanswered questions. Theories swirl: Soviet, Mafia, CIA, even a rival president. Every new file that leaks flips the truth on its head. Ordinary people keep asking, who truly paid the price? Do the conspirators protect an agenda or simply guard a secret? N. The whole world had a revelation. A secret aimed at the heart. We still debate. Who kept the final bullet hidden? N. Question. Tell us. Who do you believe actually fired the fatal shot? And now check word count. N count words. N. What if your world was built on a lie? Count words. What? Ek. If though your teen world char was panch built 6 on 7 8 lie no? That's no words. N. JFK was shot in Dallas. Many saw a shadow in the Texas school book depository. The Warren report said Lee Harvey Oswald fired one bullet. But police saw a second look angle. CIA files surfaced in 1979 with redacted pages. No one knows how the bullet landed. Did a secret organization cover up a second shooter? The truth is hidden behind sealed rooms, whispers, and unanswered questions. Theories swirl: Soviet, Mafia, CIA, even a rival president. Every new file that leaks flips the truth on its head. Ordinary people keep asking, who truly paid the price? Do the conspirators protect an agenda or simply guard a secret? And let's count words. JFK 1 was 2 shot 3 in 4 Dallas 5. Many 6 saw 7 8 shadow 9 in 10 the 11 Texas 12 school 13 book 14 depository 15. The 16 Warren 17 report 18 said 19 Lee 20 Harvey 21 Oswald 22 fired 23 1 24 bullet 25. But 26 police 27 saw 28 29 second 30 look 31 angle 32. CIA 33 files 34 surfaced, 35 in 36 1,97,937 with 38 redacted 39 pages 40. No 41 1 42 9 43 how 44 the 45 bullet 46 landed 47. Did 48 49 secret 50 organization 51 cover 52 up 53 a 54 second 55 shooter 56? The 57 truth 58 is 59 hidden 60 behind 61 sealed 62 rooms 63 whispers 64 and 65 unanswered 66 questions 67 theories 68 swirl 69 Soviet 70 Mafia 71 CIA 72 even 73 a 74 rival 75 president. Every 76 new 77 file 78 that 79 leaks 80 flips 81 the 82 truth 83 on 84 it's 85 head 86. Ordinary 87 people 88 keep 89 asking. 90 who 91 truly 92 paid 93 the 94 price? Do 95 the 96 conspirators 97 protect 98 and 99 agenda 100 or 101 simply 102 guard 103 104 secret 105 and so words from dot 105 words .nn. The whole world had a revelation. A secret aimed at the heart. We still debate. Who kept the final bullet hidden? And count words in conclusion. The ek whole do world 3 had 4-5 revelation. 6 7 secret 8 aimed 9 at 10 the 11 hard. 12 we 13 still 14 debate. 15 who 16 kept 17 the 18 final 19 bullet 20 hidden. That's 20 words. And question. Tell us, who do you believe actually fired the fatal shot? That separate final line. Count. Tell 1 us. Who to do 3 you 4 believe 5 actually 6 fired 7 the 8 fatal 9 shot 10? 10 words. And total words. 9 plus 105 plus 20 plus 10 144 words. Need 150 से 200 words. We are short by 6 to 56 words. We can add some more detail. And add a few sentences in the crime section to increase to 150 200 tool _ calls.